I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you solution of an equation which can be modified to a quadratic equation and then solve. The equation here is solve x to the power of 1 over 4 minus 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 4 equals to 1. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now these questions could be solved by making a small substitution. So let's substitute x to the power of 1 over 4 as some other variable, let's say y. In that case, I could rewrite this equation as y, x to the power of 1 over 4 is y, minus 2 y to the power of minus 1 equal to 1. So that means y minus 2 over y equals to 1. Multiplying by y, we get y square minus 2 equals to y. Bringing all the terms together, we get y square minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Now that is a quadratic equation which could be factored and solved. So you could factor this as y minus 2 times y plus 1 equals to 0. So that gives you two factors equal to 0. And now we can equate these factors to zeros and solve for y. So if I say y minus 2 equals to 0, that means y is equal to 2. And if y plus 1 is equal to 0, that means y is equal to minus 1. But y actually is x to the power of 1 over 4. So substituting back x to the power of 1 over 4 for y, we get x to the power of 1 over 4 equals to 2, or x is equals to 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So we get x equals to 16 in the first case. Now here, if I substitute x to the power of 1 over 4 equals to minus 1, in that case, what happens? Now, fourth root of x can never be negative, right? So we are looking for a value which is negative. So we know fourth root of x can never be negative. So we get no solution for this. Well, some of you could actually do like this, x to the power of minus 1 to the power of 4, which gives you the answer as 1. Now, if you do that, you will realize that let's continue. If you do this, then if you check x equals to 1, you get 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. This is not equal to 1. Do you see that? So that is a word of caution. Perfect. So that is not a solution. Perfect. So the idea here is that in such cases, you may get extraneous root. Therefore, you should check solution. Perfect. And in this particular case, as you have seen, we have only one answer, which is x equals to 16. So our answer here is x equals to 16. If you substitute 16 here, then the fourth root of 16 is 2, right? So if you substitute that, then what do you get? We know x to the power of 1 over 4 is 2. So you can check 16 to the power of 1 over 4 minus 2 times x to the power of 16 to the power of minus 1 over 4 will be equal to 2 minus 2 over 2, which is equal to 1, and that is what is expected, correct? So you could check this and verify that x equals to 16 is indeed the correct solution. So I hope that helps you to understand the concept. One, how we could solve quadratic equations by, how we could solve some exponential type of equations reduced to quadratic form. And in such cases, it is important to check the solution, as at times we may not have the right solution. Those lead to extraneous roots. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.